Within the first year, I think I made like $20,000, $30,000 when I was like 16 years old. I thought I was on top of the world. Trading was so easy. I was making so much money at that age. And then everything went south. I lost so much money after that because I got very cocky, became overconfident. I started taking trades I shouldn't trade, and overall, I just didn't have the amount of knowledge that I do now. Trading consists of a lot of knowledge and a lot of experience and back testing to become the person and to become the trader that you want to become. You will not be rich overnight. And if you want to become profitable in trading, you will need to suck up a few months or even a year or two of unprofitability and of hardships and of struggling and thinking about giving up, all your friends and family telling you should give up and stop. That is what you will experience. I'm telling you this now so you can be prepared for the hardships of trading if you haven't already experienced these hardships. Welcome back to the video. My name is Del Marinov. I really appreciate you guys tuning back in. Today we're going over the most important aspects, which subsequently are the hardest aspects of day trading. Now I'm going to go into depth with my experiences as a day trader and with everything that I've learned over the past 5-6 years in this journey. So make sure you guys stay tuned. Once again, I really appreciate all the support. Let's get right into the video. Now, before we get started in this video, I'm going to give you guys a little backstory about me and my journey. I'm Dylan Marinov, and I've been trading for 6 years now. I started off when I was 16, maybe even 15, and currently I'm 21, about to turn 22 in April. It's been a long journey, a lot of ups and downs, and this journey takes a lot of guts and a lot of dedication to this craft because it's a very difficult and very hard path to take because most day traders, 90% of them, if not 95% of day traders or traders in general fail. So if you're on this journey, there's a big likelihood that you are in the trenches right now or you are struggling. So I'm here to give some of my knowledge and some of my experiences. I really enjoy trading. I've traded options, crypto, common shares, penny stocks, forex, futures. I've traded every single possible commodity, and I'm going to go into detail what I'm trading currently and what strategies I have used to become a profitable trader. So let's get right into the video. So without further ado, I'm going to start off with the most important step. Usually people start like 5 to 1. I'm going to go right off the bat, the most important step. You need to have trader friends. You need to be surrounded by people that are in the field, that are trading, that are actively taking trades, progressing their journey and improving themselves. Because surrounding yourself with that type of group and that type of crowd really helps you guys bounce back ideas and improve your strategies. Because you could see another trader's strategy and implement what they do into your own strategy. It is so important to bounce off ideas and to be in a community and to be in a group with like-minded individuals that lift you up and help you throughout this journey. Now, I really enjoy trading live and trading with other friends and traders because it really makes you a better trader and it helps you stay dedicated and stick to your plan. Because if I'm trading live with my friends or with other traders or in my community, I'm not going to take dumbass trades. I'm not going to be stupid with it. I'm always going to take A+ setups because I don't want to seem like an idiot. So you become more cautious and you become more aware of the setups, and that is why I like trading with my community and with my friends. If you're not in a community, I highly recommend checking out the community that we have. Shoot me a DM on Instagram or drop a comment and I'll let you guys know about that. The link will be in the description. The next most important step is controlling your emotions. The amount of times that I've talked about this in my previous videos is outrageous, and I'm going to continue talking about it because it is single-handedly going to convert you from being unprofitable to profitable. You need to be able to control your emotions and become confident in yourself to not overreact if you lose or if you win. The moment you start getting overexcited for a winning trade, or the moment you become sad or depressed or angry at yourself for taking a losing trade, that is when you start spiraling into emotions and into terrible trades, breaking your plan, and overall just a terrible, terrible trait to have. The way I control my emotions is understanding that trading is a job and there are risks involved, and if I lose, that is just part of the game. If I win, that is just what I'm meant to do, so it's nothing exciting or nothing new when I take profitable trades. Take profitable trades, be happy, move on. Take a losing trade, learn from it, move on. Don't let that overwhelm you, and don't let bad trades cause you to revenge trade. That is number 3. Revenge trading. Over trading, revenge trading, it's the same thing. When you start revenge trading, when you start over trading, that is when you blow accounts, that is when you lose money you shouldn't lose, that is when you take trades that you shouldn't lose. Now, how I personally control myself from revenge trading is very simple. If I take bad trades or if the market is very choppy and I don't see A+ setups, watch what you should do. Close your screen. When you close your screen, move on, go to the gym, make yourself a nice healthy lunch, dinner, breakfast, whatever. Go hang out with your friends. Do something else besides wasting your time trading in a day you shouldn't be trading. If you're taking loss after loss after loss, guess what? That is not your day. Close your computer, close your iPad, whatever you trade on, move on to the next thing on your day. You cannot be trading 24/7. You will lose, you will lose, you will lose. If you continue to overtrade and revenge trade, this will cause you to burn yourself and not become profitable ever. Because if you're revenge trading, you're in a terrible mindset and you think that this is an endless hole, an endless cycle of terrible trades and revenge trading, and you will get discouraged from trading and give up. So revenge trading, over trading, do not do it. If you need more advice on that, just shoot me a DM on Instagram at dtrades. I answer all my DMs. I love helping you guys out, and I'm just here to communicate my experiences with my subscribers and with people that watch my videos. So feel free to drop a comment or follow my Instagram and shoot me a DM. I respond to every single comment, every single DM. Please, I'm here to help and give out some free advice. Now, number 4, trading is not get rich quick. Trading is not easy money. If you think that you can make a shit ton of money from trading within the first few weeks, the first few months, you are delusional, okay? You will not be a profitable trader off rip. You need to understand that this is a long-term thing, a long-term career, long-term passion, job, whatever you want to call it. You will not get rich overnight. There's no such thing as easy money in this world unless you buy some meme coin and it goes up 1,000x and you put $100, you just made 100 grand. That is the only way to get lucky and to make very easy money. But with trading, it takes a lot of discipline and a lot of consistent profits to get to the place you want to be. Because I thought that trading was very easy. Honestly, within the first year, I think I made like $20,000, $30,000 when I was like 16 years old. I thought I was on top of the world. Trading was so easy. I was making so much money at that age. And then everything went south. I lost so much money after that because I got very cocky, became overconfident. I started taking trades I shouldn't trade, and overall, I just didn't have the amount of knowledge that I do now. Trading consists of a lot of knowledge and a lot of experience and back testing to become the person and to become the trader that you want to become. You will not be rich overnight. I've said it in the beginning of the video. I'm going to say it now. I'm going to say it in my next videos. Trading is not a get-rich-quick scheme. It takes a lot of time, a lot of practice, a lot of patience, and if you want to become profitable in trading, you will need to suck up a few months or even a year or two of unprofitability and of hardships and of struggling and thinking about giving up, all your friends and family telling you should give up and stop. That is what you will experience. I'm telling you this now so you can be prepared for the hardships of trading if you haven't already experienced these hardships. Because trading is not all fun and games. You will not become a profitable trader in the beginning. You will not become a profitable trader after a few months. It will take a long time. And I'm repeating myself because it's so important. My dad used to always repeat things to me. Dad, this is like the 5th time he told me this today. He's like, son, this is so important that I gotta keep on repeating it to you so it can get engraved into your head. And that is why I'm repeating it right now. I may sound like a broken record. I may sound annoying. I may piss some of you guys off, but I'm saying it because it's true. And if you don't like it, then this is just the hard truth and you have to swallow it. All right, the hard truth number 5 of trading. The cost of trading is expensive, okay? You will not be able to get into trading at a very low entry cost. You need to first have capital. You need to invest in a community or a mentor because that is what I struggle with the most. I did not have a mentor, did not have a community. I was trading blindly based off of what I thought and what I saw was right. And that is not the way you should trade. If you're not in a community or a mentor, make sure you guys hit me up, shoot me a DM or drop a comment. I'm going to have my community linked in the bio, and I am offering mentorships. I literally just opened up some spots, and this is going to be a new chapter of my trading career where I'm helping other people learn the things that I've struggled with and the things that I've learned because I feel like it's just part of my journey, and I'm here to offer some free advice and then also my mentorship. So if you guys are interested, make sure to shoot me a DM on Instagram or drop a comment. Now, you need to be in the proper environment and the proper community, which costs money. If you want to be a soccer player, you have to buy soccer cleats, you have to buy shin guards, you have to buy sometimes mouthpieces, whatever. Same with tennis. If you want to be a good tennis player, you can't buy a $20 tennis racket and then think you're going to play good tennis, you know? Same with pickleball, football. You have to get the best equipment so you can perform your best. Trading is the same exact way. If you do not have the best equipment to prepare yourself in the trading world, you will not succeed. So that is why my community offers live trading. We do call outs, which eventually you will understand why we give out those callouts, and you will understand the positions that we're placing before we place them because we teach you that in our live lessons. So we do live callouts, live lessons, we do trading recaps, and overall it's just a great community for options trading, for stocks, for futures, and for crypto. So if you're interested, make sure to check that out. Link will be in the description. You need to be able to put upfront capital in order to start trading, whether it's a live account, whether it's a funded account, whether you want to start trading crypto or options. You need to put up and risk your own money to make money. So don't think that you can get into trading at a very low entry cost. trading has become harder and harder as we go. So if you're not willing to risk some of your money, then trading is not for you. Trading requires a specific person, and if it's not you, that's completely fine. Trading requires a person that's willing to take risks, willing to take losses, willing to control their risk, and willing to endure a lot of losses in the beginning, because that is what you will experience. It'll take a lot of losses before you can start being consistent in those wins. Now, those were the 5 aspects and 5 most important / difficult parts of a day trader. Me currently, I'm trading options right now and momentum stocks. The reason why I'm trading options and momentum stocks is because there is a smaller requirement of capital to get into these assets. With options, you can trade with a couple $100, and if you make 100%, you made $200-300 with a single trade. And options, they move like crazy. Trust me, you can get an easy 100-200% move in a day with some options. Now, momentum stocks, I trade either penny stocks or smaller caps that have nice moves based off of volume or momentum. Now, how do I find these stocks before they actually explode? These penny stocks and these momentum stocks, they require a few different catalysts in order to see nice moves and good breakouts. Now, for penny stocks, I like to see them have positive news, a small market cap, and a lot of volume. Those 3 things are a very, very important part to see crazy moves on these penny stocks. Now, for momentum stocks, I trade stocks like SCRV, BBAI, Tesla, AMD. All those stocks have big moves. Also, SMCI. SMCI has some crazy moves in the past few months. Those stocks have great moves, and they're relatively safer plays. Now, if you're trading Tesla, AMD, SMCI, you are taking a much smaller risk because those stocks, they're never going to go to zero. You're holding a stock in a company that has value and will eventually recover. That is what I love trading about those stocks. If I end up taking a losing trade in those stocks, I just add them to my long-term portfolio because I believe in those companies and overall they will go up in the long term. So I'm day trading them and swing trading them at the same time, which is a great strategy that I incorporated into how I trade. Now, if you guys have any more questions on how I trade, what I trade, or if you want to join my community or my mentorship program, make sure you guys drop a comment or follow me on Instagram @dtrades, and I will see you guys in the next video. Really appreciate all the support.